Understanding pouring buckets, an English idiom. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English expression, pouring buckets. This idiom is often used to describe heavy rain, and understanding it can add a colorful touch to your English conversations. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English. Pouring buckets is an idiom that creates a vivid mental image. Originally, it refers to the idea that the rain is falling so heavily it's as if buckets of water are being poured from the sky. This section will explore the origin and imagery behind this picturesque expression. How do we use pouring buckets in everyday conversation? In this section, we'll look at various examples and contexts where this phrase might be used. You'll learn how to incorporate it naturally into your dialogue, whether you're talking about the weather or using it metaphorically. English is rich with idiomatic expressions, especially about the weather. Here, we'll compare pouring buckets with other similar phrases like raining cats and dogs, or a torrential downpour. Understanding these similarities and differences will enhance your fluency and comprehension. Learning idioms can be challenging, but it's also fun. This section will provide some practical tips and exercises to help you remember and practice using pouring buckets in your conversations. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of pouring buckets. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable, helping you add more color and expression to your English. Remember, practicing these idioms in daily conversations can significantly enhance your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.